looked at the clock. I gotta go. Look, Pat, I'll get to it in the next hour. I'm glad you called. Thank you so much. We're on the same page. We'll be right back.
Somebody has to have the guts to say it. Rush on the EIB network. News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
What do millions of Americans and 3 former U.S. presidents have in common? Well, they all agree Boll & Branch sheets are the softest organic cotton sheets on earth, and you will too. You will feel the quality the second you open your first set of Boll & Branch sheets. That's because they work with family-owned mills all over the world to weave every set of Boll & Branch sheets with the highest level of craftsmanship. And since they sell direct to you, Boll & Branch sheets start at just $160. They're $1,000 quality for a fraction of that price. Plus, you can sleep on them for a month, risk-free. Right now, you get $50 off at bollandbranch.com with the promo code RUSH. You spell it B-O-L-L and branch.com. bollandbranch.com, promo code RUSH for $50 off. Restrictions may apply. See bollandbranch.com for all details. B-O-L-L and branch.com. News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM start your week off Monday morning at 5 with Ron St. Pierre. He's got all the news and information you need to start your day, plus more chances to win $1,000. News, traffic, weather, sports, business news, and more. Join Ron Monday morning at 5 on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Okay, world, I'm ready for this.
Worldwide, Natalie?
Oh, yeah, just keep it coming. And then, hello, son. Long time no see. And finally, this.
Gotta be one dime down. And here's your new Route 6 Kia.
Sweet. It's a stellar price to pay more than a dime at Route 6 Automall Kia in Swansea.
One dime down.
And you get 0% financing for 72 months.
And 1,500 trade-in assistance. That's an extra 1,500 for your trade.
I'll take it. Now, what about credit and the state?
If you bring home $350 a week, you could get up to $25,000 in credit. $25 grand.
Good to be out again.
One dime down. Trade assistance, 0% financing.
And ask for credit and the state only at Route 6. Route 6 Automall Kia.
And Swansea.
Route6automall.com. Route6automall.com.
Plus tax credit fees to qualified buyers. WSNE HD2 car problem. W284BA1. Over 50% of iHeartRadio listeners said they plan to spend more on hardware or home improvement stores this summer. So visit iHeartAdBuilder.com to get your business advertised on radio and reach shoppers as they start their home improvement projects.
Here's Turbo with the Fitzpatrick team at RE/MAX, and they'll sell it in 90 days. If they don't, they'll waive their seller's commission. The 3 months max program is provided exclusively by the Fitzpatrick team. Visit 3monthsmax.com for details.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Loonies are found.
Hey, how about this, folks? There's a lawsuit. A lawsuit filed U.S. Supreme Court in Seattle alleges that would-be protesters are prevented from demonstrating because the cost of protecting themselves from police is too high. The cost of protest gear violates their civil rights. You ever heard of such nonsense? The cost of protest gear violates Seattle protesters' civil rights, and now they're suing. And with the way the left runs a court system out there, how do you think this suit's going to turn out? They're probably going to be awarded what they want. We have reached our conclusion for today. As always, thank you so much for being with us. Always appreciated. Be right back on Monday. Yes, be back on Monday. Have a good weekend.
If you have been to Simpson Spring, you'll know that it is unlike any other place you've ever visited. Located at 719 Washington Street in Easton, this working plant, the oldest in our country, bottles real spring water from a spring right on the property. This alone is highly unique, even within the spring water industry. They also use that pure spring water to create handcrafted